Brandon Miller, Josh Green, Grant Williams, Colin Sexton. Lamelo hesitated, still hit it, rattles it through. Robinson, more points than those two combined. LeBron James.
Hey.
How about Lamelo? Now at 25, had 19 in the first quarter. Lamelo has Ayton in the crosshairs. Just a blow by. Wow! Get in there! Look at Lamelo! Great! 1-1. Got it! Brandon Miller's got 24. Miles Bridges has got 23. Lamelo! A corner through. And Lamelo has decided to fire for another three. And he makes it! This guy's crazy! I love it!